1. Consonant vibration. Your strong willpower is one of the dominant characteristics of your personality. This, combined with another strong factor, your ambition, keeps you going on to newer fields to find what it is you seek. You must always have a worthy goal if you are to put the time and effort into anything at all. When there's one, you can throw your whole being into a project and generate tremendous enthusiasm and excitement. You must know exactly where you are going and how you will get there. A plan is drawn and you will pursue it relentlessly. When no clear goal or direction is drawn, you have no interest at all. When you take up a project for your very own, it's almost certain to be a success because you will drive yourself until it is. Your vanity is also a factor here. You would hate to be unsuccessful in anything or to leave things at loose ends, a good trait when properly employed. Often, your passionate nature overrules the wisdom of your mind, and this can at times cause you great heartache. It will be wise to blend the two and intelligently analyze a situation or relationship before letting yourself go completely. This blend of the best of both your heart and mind can be exceptionally rewarding if you only give it a chance. Your passion can be an asset if you use it in its finer sense and don't inflict it on others who would prefer a more reserved nature. In romance, it can be a hindrance if your mate is the quiet, conservative type. Refine it by using its strength and devotion and loyalty instead of engaging in heated arguments and wild proclamations of undying love. Avoid the domineering aspects of your ambitious drive. To you, the aims of a relationship or project may be clearly defined as having to follow certain lines, but to someone else, they may not be the same, and your strong insistence will be misunderstood easily. You like to have everything on your own way, but do not see this as an expression of selfishness. You can always find ways of justifying every action or desire as a result. This expression is a particularly difficult one for a woman if it is practiced in its negative sense, so great care must be taken to use only the positive power of the number 1, which is also great in strength. With the ambition, drive, and willpower of such a person as you, the finest ideals can be realized and the highest of goals reached. Use them to guide the work of those you live or work with if they have a weaker drive than yours, but suggest and demonstrate rather than demand and dictate.